All right, so let's say you've been in crypto for a while, you've been making those profits, or maybe you're just getting into crypto right now, and you're wondering how you're gonna take those profits and spend those profits in the future when this bull market comes to the end. Because hopefully you're gonna be selling close to the top and then keeping some powder to buy back in the bear market, but also those profits that you take, you might want to go shopping, you might want to invest into something else, but how would you take that crypto into cash? Well, I'm gonna show you a secret on how to do that easily, fast, and also get paid for it, and we're starting right now.
Hey guys, I'm Bri Fithans. Remember, Paul is not a financial advisor, but he is good looking. Also, this is not financial advice. Please subscribe down below and check out my channel at Bri Fithans.
Hey, welcome back. My name is Paul, and this channel is all about cryptocurrency. So please, if you enjoy these videos, if you like cryptocurrency, make sure you hit that like button and possibly subscribe down below so you don't miss any more videos. All right, so if you have been in crypto for a while, I mean, I've been in crypto since 2017. I've been living off crypto since 2017. You know that bull markets come to an end, the bear markets start, and you need to buy back lower. You need to take profits and buy back lower. The problem is a lot of times you need to spend your crypto, whether that's in the bear market or before the bear market, hopefully, but sometimes you just need to spend your crypto. Unless you're Michael Saylor and you have infinite amount of money, you need to spend your crypto to live. I mean, you need to go shopping, you need to pay bills, you might want to get into some investments, fix your car, whatever, but you need to take that crypto into euros, francs, dollars, whatever, wherever you are in the world, depending. Now, there are a few ways of doing this, but it's sometimes very difficult. For example, you might want to send from an exchange or wallet to your bank. That's sometimes not feasible. Banks don't usually like that. Or maybe you want to do it peer-to-peer, but you need to trust the person. If it's a lot of money, it's kind of hard. You might want to do it OTC, but there you need a lot of money to be able to do that, or a lot of crypto to be able to do that. And there's all the fees and everything associated with these ways. And it's just not feasible spending your crypto every day. I mean, you still can't really walk into a shop and pay for coffee or buy some clothes with crypto. Now, one way to get around this is to use a crypto debit card, but there's a few problems with that. Number one, it's not anonymous. So if you care about getting tracked and so on, depending on your values and fundamentals, it's not anonymous. You need KYC. Not everybody can do KYC, depending in which country you are in. There's a whole lot of problems associated with crypto debit cards. Until now. See, Flyback reached out to me. Let me show you something here. See, Flyback reached out to me, and what Flyback can do for you is actually provide you with a virtual debit card or even debit card with no KYC that you can spend your cryptos online and offline anywhere, however you want, and it's compatible with over 20 cryptocurrencies. Not only that, there's a few more things about this card that's gonna blow your mind. But real quick, let me tell you how I actually came across this, how I met them, and why I'm making this sponsored video. Because this is a sponsored video, but let me show you something. See, a few months ago, I actually went to NBX in Poland and met very interesting people. I mean, I met the Kaspa team, I interviewed Kaspa. You can see them right here. We had a lot of fun, and I met a lot of people and learned a lot of things. But one of the people I met is this guy right here. And this guy was actually quite unique. We talked a lot. This video is about to come out soon, by the way, so if you're looking for this video, but this guy is all about, well, you can read his shirt. He seemed like a great guy. And he introduced me to this project I'm gonna talk to you about right now. Which brings me back to the Flyback debit card. We were talking about this project, and he actually introduced me, and this is actually on pre-sale right now. So you can actually get yourself your virtual debit card by getting some flies, $100 worth, as a matter of fact, just $100 worth. You can actually get some right now. Now, Flyback, as you can see over here, they want to fight against increasing financial restrictions with their product. They want to bring personal freedom of the old days back into today's world and be an antagonist of current developments. In other words, they want to go back to the past, but into the future. I'm not sure how that's possible, if that makes sense. But basically, they have an innovative product. They have the crypto mentality, if you will, and they're trying to change things for the better. Let me show you here. So essentially, they have a virtual debit card with no KYC. You can actually use their virtual debit card without going through KYC. You can spend your cryptocurrencies without providing your personal details, meaning you are safe, which is what crypto is all about. But also, they are crypto only. See, their debit cards can only be loaded with cryptocurrencies, and Fly's token, their token, by the way, we'll be talking about that in just one second, but their token can only be purchased with crypto. They do not accept fiat. They live crypto. Moreover, there's automatic purchase of physical gold whenever you buy Flies. So any Flies you buy, 10% of that goes into physical gold. This is something that I haven't seen this anywhere else. I think this is actually superb. It's a great marketing point as well, but also very interesting to say the least. And then you can earn money through pools, teams, and leaderboard, meaning basically you can stake your tokens, but also when you introduce somebody to the platform that also gets debit cards, or even whether it's a virtual card or normal physical card, you actually get paid for it. You actually make referral fees. As a matter of fact, I have my referral link in the description down below and in the comments section, so if you're interested, maybe you want to check this out. So basically, this is a debit card from the future. There's no KYC, it's usable online and offline, and it's the perfect choice for anyone that values privacy. Your balance and card can only be loaded up with crypto. You can do it with over 20 cryptocurrencies, as we already mentioned, and there's no KYC procedure. So let's have a look how they're doing so far. As you can see, this project, by the way, is out since 2023, but their Flyback and Flies pre-sale in numbers right now, there's 8,849 registered members. This is growing. This is the amount of total sold Flies over here, their treasury, and their total pool earnings. So how can you use this? Very simple. You just join the pre-sale over here. It's actually very easy. I did this earlier on. All you do is you join their pre-sale, takes you to your own account where all it requires is an email address and the country you are from. You send some cryptocurrency to that platform through your wallet or an exchange, and you basically exchange for Fly tokens, and that's it. You're on the list. There's also a white paper over here you can download. I suggest you download the white paper and do your own research. But basically, this is the roadmap right here. As you can see, it was founded in September 2023, so quite a new project over here. In October 2023, they started programming their pre-sale back office. And in November 2023, the license approval and start of Flies pre-sale actually begun. And you can go through this. You can go through their roadmap over here to see what they're working on and what they're actually doing. Now, the cool thing is, with a virtual card, you can actually buy anything online and offline, as I mentioned, but also if you have a physical card, you can actually access ATM and so on. I think that does require some light KYC, by the way, but you can just use the virtual card. And you're golden. You're gold. You're protecting yourself. You're protecting your identity. You can get a VPN from Morad, for example, with that card, and you're untraceable or untrackable or anything else you want to do. In most part, you're always traceable and trackable, by the way, just to let you know. But in most part, you're protecting yourself. Does that make sense? You can go out for that coffee with your cryptocurrency. You can go get that dinner with your cryptocurrency. You can shop and get some clothes. You can give your card to your girlfriend.
Baby, can I buy a dress?
Yeah.
Thank you.
And second thoughts, maybe that wasn't such a good idea. Never give your card to your girlfriend because things can actually go wrong. But if you trust your girl like I trust my girl, everything will be fine. Don't worry about it. But now you have a card, you can have a way to take profits, you have a way to use your cryptocurrency without going crazy. And if you need bigger amounts, if you need enormous amounts, sure, fine, you can do OTC, you can do peer-to-peer, you can do a whole bunch of stuff. But in most part, if you just want a coffee and use it for everyday use, you can just use a debit card and you're good. Just use Flyback.
Thank you.
Okay, so maybe that wasn't is such a good idea. But I wanted to get this video out to you. I'm gonna actually do a longer video and do a deeper dive, but I wanted to get this video out for you fast because I do think it's an opportunity. Of course, do your own research. This is a sponsored video, but I am actually using this. I actually signed up for it, so I'll give you updates on how it works for me. And for me, $100, it's worth the risk, and maybe buying the token and making an investment here may be worth the risk. So you do you, and I'll do me, or I'll do someone else. But do check out the link down below, sign up, you have nothing to lose in my opinion, and see how it works for you. Now, if you wanna know how KOLs and crypto influencers are taking advantage of you, make sure you watch this video right here. You don't want to miss this video. And if you wanna know what happened with Polkadot and influencers under their payroll, make sure you watch this video right here. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.